Okay, just getting to work here tonight. Usually I'm the only one in the building, but they tell me tonight I'm going to have some kind of help, some kind of new assistant. So we'll see what that's all about. But lights are off, so I don't think there's anyone here yet. Probably just the first one. So we'll see what they're talking about. Okay, it's just a regular classroom, the way it always is. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That's so adorable. What loving students I have. Oh, look what they left for me. Or maybe that's for them. I don't know. I'm going to say it's for me. Well, that's sloppy. Okay, well, I can forgive that. Well, things are basically ready. Computer's on and the smartboard's on, but that's normal. It's usually left on sometimes. Often. So I don't get it. I don't know what the big deal is. Wait, what's this thing on the stand here? What is this? This is new. But this is not a person, so I don't get the big deal. Whoa! Oh, shoot. It's taken an interest in me, whatever it is. Hello? Do you understand English? Because I teach it, but I mean, you don't look like you're my typical student. Are you here to help me? Why are you looking at me that way? Stop staring at me. Okay. I'm not alone in this room, and I'm being watched. Okay, I'm just going to go right over here. See the computer? Okay, I'm just going to get ready for class. You just chill there, okay? Don't move. Oh boy. That's a weird start. Okay, there's my window is open here. I'll just put that up. And what? I don't get it. What? What have you done to my classroom? What have you done to my classroom? How many are there of me? What have you done to me? You copied me. And you made each copy slower and dumber than the last one. Okay. This is too much for me. I'm out of here. You have freaked me out. Good night, people.